Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna use AI to create awesome presentation like this. As you can see, this is my PowerPoint, and let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here to Google. Okay, go to this Manus.im, Manus, and sign up using your Google account. Okay, as you can see, this is my Manus. Okay, you can choose the light version or you can choose the pro version if you have some money. Okay, for us we have to use this version. Okay, let's see, Google Drive, Figma. Okay, create slides, this one. So this. Okay, I want click send. Yeah, and the program is working. Okay, start thinking. Okay, as you can see, our presentation is done using this Manus AI. It looks good. It takes around 5 minutes to generate this slides. Okay, let's see. And this is my presentation. At first look, it's HTML file. You can download it from here as PowerPoint file or Google Slides or PDF. For us, we have to use it as PowerPoint. Double click here and the conversion to PPTX is begin. Okay, let's download it. Okay, as you can see, the downloading is finished. Okay, let's open PowerPoint. Okay, now and let's open it. Okay, as you can see, this is my presentation. You can adjust the transition only.